As promised, we're doing some nighttime flying with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. We're downtown Tampa. It's a beautiful, clear night. Settings, we're going to be using 4K 30 frames per second. Everything set to the normal color profile. I'm running the highest ISOs of 12,800. Really do hope you enjoy. Let's get started.